In this video, I want to tell you about how we created and released an Escape the Loop style horror game in just 1 week. We were inspired by PT, the playable trailer of that one cancelled Silent Hill game. In PT, the player is trapped in a hallway, and every time they reach the end, they just start all over again. There are puzzles, however, that if the player solves, some elements of the hallway changes the next time around. Using a similar idea as the core of the game, we started working on our game, which we named Speechless. We used Unity and a couple of packages off of their asset store, and after downloading the assets and figuring out how to use them, we split the tasks between me and the programmer on our team, and got busy implementing the game's features. We used Trello to manage our project and store resources, documents, and ideas. Then the story writing process began, and we placed handwritten snippets of the story in different loops of the game. The loops were designed in Excel first, built off of the mechanics in the game and the story progression, and finally created in Unity. We used sound effects from freesound.org and even created some sounds ourselves. We focused on making the game creepy through lighting, environment design, sound effects, and of course, jump scares. After extensive testing, we put the game out on itch.io. The feedback was pretty positive, with a lot of streamers choosing to give the game a shot.
This door was locked a minute ago! Alright, shut the door. Alright, can I close? Oh my god. Hello?
I know you're coming. You! Oh my...
Ah! Jesus Christ, man! I am not down for this game. This can kiss my ass.
Oh my fucking shit!
And if you want to give the game a shot for yourself, please check out the link in the description. Thank you.